Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to make video calls in Element Messenger step by step. Element Messenger lets you make secure video calls with other Matrix users, making it easy to collaborate, attend meetings, or stay connected with friends and family. So let's get started. First, open the Element Messenger app on your computer or mobile device and sign in to your Matrix account. Make sure your device has a stable internet connection and allow Element to access your camera and microphone if you're prompted. Next, open the direct chat or room with the person you want to call. For one-on-one conversations, starting a video call from a private chat usually provides the best experience. Now click or tap the video call or camera icon near the top of the conversation window. Element will send a call request to the other participant. Once they answer, your video call will begin automatically. During the call, you can mute or unmute your microphone, turn your camera on or off, switch between available cameras if your device supports it, and adjust other call settings using the controls on the screen. For the best quality, use a strong Wi-Fi connection and good lighting. When you're finished, click or tap the end call button to disconnect. If you experience video or audio issues, check your internet connection, verify your camera and microphone permissions, and restart the app if necessary. And that's it. You now know how to make video calls in Element Messenger and connect securely with other Matrix users from your computer or mobile device. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.